when you hear of people who can get thrills out of seeing other people suffer front line and become war tourists, it's enough to make you ache all over. So I decided that the next one ought to be about this laryngitis, and my palpitating heart and everything this horrible attitude in human beings has given me. And this one is called Cacophonous, coughs. It's an anti-ode to laryngitis. Something's purring in my larynx. A lion or a lynx. Something fierce that turns to growling. Some wheezing, howling jinx. Sudden voiceless whispering. The wingless silence of a sphinx. Cackling, chased by vicious spitting. A goaded goat, a caterwaul, a caw, an over-bloated croak. All this, is it really coming from my own swollen throat? As I start complaining, my coughs will have no end. There's a wild hiss of constriction from some deep cave or den, maybe boa, cobra, python, a rattling of phlegm. Surely lethal in a second to women, mice and men. I've sucked long and hard on tablets. I should have sucked on more. For now my voice is sometimes squeak, sometimes infernal roar.